Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your eBay account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Visit the eBay website and sign in using your username and password. Make sure you are accessing your account for a secure device. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the My eBay section. Click on Account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Find Security Settings. In the Account Settings, look for the Security tab. Click on it to view your security options, including the two-factor authentication feature. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Before changing your settings, use the etrock.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Choose your verification method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as via SMS or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup process. Now your eBay account is more secure with two-factor authentication enabled. Remember to keep your verification method accessible to ensure smooth access in the future.